Hello everyone. So here we are in the fourth episode of Microsoft Word for Beginner series. Today we're going to discuss about the quick access toolbar in Word. This is placed above the ribbon in the top left and it helps you to easily access the frequently used commands. So let's get on to the demo.
So your quick access toolbar sits here on the title bar, and by default you have a few commands already placed on this title bar. So you have the save button here, which allows you to save documents. You have the undo. So if you click on undo, this will help you to undo the action you have last performed. And next to it is what is called as redo, which will help you to repeat the action you have last performed. Then you have a command for print, preview, and print. This will help you to open up the print options in the backstage view. So now let's see how you can add some commonly used commands to this quick access toolbar. So in order to do this, click on this drop down arrow and click on this drop down arrow and select a command from this list. My case, let's say I click on this new. So new is not selected. If it's selected, if it's already placed on the quick access toolbar, then you would see a tick here as you see here. So there is no tick here, which means it's not available, easily accessible from the quick access toolbar. So I just click here and add this command to the quick access toolbar. So now as you could see here, a new command is added, and which will help me by just clicking onto it. I don't have to go to the file menu or to create a new document, but I just come here while I'm working on one document. If there is a need arise that for me to create a new document, then I just go here and click on this command and a new document is created. So these were only just a few, very few commands that's readily available here. So the question is, how can we add more commands to quick access toolbar? In order to do that, click on this drop down menu and at the bottom click on more commands, and from the list that you see here, click on any of the commands which you want to customize, and then you click on add. So let's say shapes is a command which I want to add. I click here and then I click on add. So all those commands that are available in the quick access toolbar will be moved to the right side. So all these commands that you see here in the right are already added in the quick access toolbar. Now if you want to remove something, just click on that command and then click remove. If you want to re-add something, then you click here, click on the command which you want to add, which you want to see on the quick access toolbar, and then click add. And once you're done, just click OK. In the last session, we have seen what a ribbon is and how do you customize ribbon. Now sometimes you may use certain ribbon commands very often. So the question is, how can you add that group of commands available in the ribbon to this quick access toolbar? In order to do that, just navigate to your to and go to those group of commands which you use very often and click on the name of that group. Right click, not just click, but right click and add to quick access toolbar. So these group of commands that were available in the ribbon will be added to quick access toolbar. So if I want to add something else, let's say this text, I can right click. You can also go to these individual commands, right click and add them to quick access toolbar, or you can, if you want to put all the or select all all the commands available in this particular group of text. So you want to select this text as a whole. So right click on the name of that group and click add to quick access toolbar. So as you can see here, these command groups or these commands that you have just added is now available in quick access toolbar, and hence they are easily accessible. So now let's discuss the placement of this quick access toolbar. So by default is available on top here on the top left corner. However, you can also place it below the ribbon. To do that, click on this drop down menu and go to the bottom and click on show below the ribbon. So this is one way whereby you can place, or this is an alternative way of placing the quick access toolbar. In order to move it back, again take this drop down menu and click on show above the ribbon.